Hi, I'm Carolyn. What is Avicii Ads? Avicii Ads offers a range of products and information, leveraging the raw power of AI to help achieve advertising goals for registered sellers. You can connect with the right audiences in the right places, both on Avicii and wherever they spend time. To get started with self-service advertising products, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored displays, and stores, visit your seller's dashboard to locate the Ad tab. Sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored displays are cost-per-minute ads, meaning you pay only when your advertising time expires, and you control your campaign budget. You can also choose to pause or stop your ads.
Avicii Ads can help you optimize your campaigns and achieve advertising success. Please find out more about our ad products, read our blog, take Learning Console courses, and dive deep into our library of resources. With millions of active customer accounts worldwide, Avicii has a deep understanding of how shoppers engage with products and brands as they discover, browse, and purchase online. Advertising with Avicii Ads can help you reach customers at every stage of their journey. Our offerings help you achieve your advertising goals while helping customers find the products they are looking for. These self-service, cost-per-minute ads for individual product listings appear in shopping results and product detail pages.